guys, so it's finally arrived. Just through my door this afternoon, I received this rather large package. Now, this package I've been waiting for ever since I went to a photography show in Birmingham. It was a rather big purchase. I wanted to keep it a secret from you guys until I actually got around to unboxing it. This is actually meant to be a Tech Tuesday video. This literally was released on Monday, and then I was meant to get it on Tuesday. So what I was going to do is I'll quickly film it, and then I was going to put it online so you guys would all see it. It probably would have been a bit later in my normal schedule. It was going to be up on Tuesday night, but it didn't arrive till this afternoon, which is Wednesday. So because I didn't want to wait until next Tuesday to actually upload this video and actually reveal to you guys what it is, I decided for one time only I'm going to be doing a Cyber Wednesday, so I could still upload this and it still makes sense. But as I'm just way too excited to actually get this open now and actually be able to just physically hold it and use it, I'm going to unbox it now. So I hope you guys all enjoy. Right, because the parcel's rather large, I've had to put it on a chair so you can actually get a better camera angle of it, so you can actually see inside the box and open it. But anyway, we're just going to begin now. Of course, again, I've got my trusty cutter to help me get this open, because if most of you who know me know, I'm really bad at unboxing things. So anyway, here we go. So first off, I want to talk about this. You probably have just seen in the box. Now, this is obviously an SD card. Most of you know what an SD card looks like. This SD card does not normally come with this product. The reason I have this is because when I pre-ordered it at the photography show, they gave me a free 32GB SD card with my order. So that is why this is in there. This is not normally in there. Normally you have to buy these separately. Here is the main product, the main surprise I wanted to reveal to you all. Yes, I pre-ordered the Canon EOS M50. It only just released on Monday and is potentially one of the best vlogging cameras of 2018. The camera I've got, the EOS M50 with a 15 to 45mm lens. This comes in two colours, white and black, but I didn't really like the white coloured one at all. So this one is the black one. Okay, so inside of course we have the European warranty card. We have the instruction manual, which comes with every single product you ever unbox. So I don't know why I keep showing that to the camera, because it's clearly going to be in there anyway. So the first thing I've got out is the strap. Now, most photographers will know about the strap on a camera. This is pretty self-explanatory. We have the plug for the battery charger for the camera, and we have the actual battery as well. Here is the main attraction, which is the body of the camera. Now, as you can see, it's very small and compact. This has interchangeable lenses. There's only currently two lenses available on the market for this at the moment. A 22mm and a 15 to 45mm is one that I bought with my camera. Just like the Canon 80D that I bought, and like most other DSLR cameras, it does come with just a body. You can buy the lens separately, but I would recommend getting a 15 to 45 for now, so it covers all bases. But I'm sure more lenses will come out on the market, and there'll be better lenses which will make your videos and your vlogs even better. So it's very useful having interchangeable lenses. The reason I got this is I was originally going to get the G7X Mark II. It's basically the exact same as the camera I currently use, as the Canon 80Ds. I absolutely love, I absolutely adore the Canon 80D. It's such a good camera. This is basically a mini version of that. The difference between this one and the camera I'm using right now is that this one does 4K video, and it's the first mirrorless camera, I think, to do 4K video. The other thing it has is it also has the flip out screen, which is perfect for when you're vlogging. And another thing it has, which the G7X doesn't have, is that it has a microphone input at the side. I think it's one of the first Canon compact cameras that has a microphone input. Next, I'm going to go with the lens. This is the lens, a 15 to 45mm lens, like I mentioned earlier. It's very, very small, but it's absolutely perfect for vlogging. The current lens using the Canon 80 is 18 to 135mm, so this goes slightly wider than my current Canon 80D lens goes. So if you want to get an M50, I'd recommend getting this lens with the body, because it's probably a cheaper way of doing it as well. And last but not least, we have the battery charger for the camera. Again, not as exciting as everything else I've shown you, but I wanted to finish off unboxing. So that's the end of the video. This is what the camera looks like when it's complete, the lens and the body put together. I realised I rambled on for a lot longer than I was meant to about this, but I did actually learn quite a bit about the camera, and I've actually been told this is probably going to be one of the best vlogging cameras of 2018, so I just had to get it. But my biggest challenge now is to start using this rather than my phone for vlogging, because normally I use my phone. I've got my Samsung S8, I normally use that for vlogging, and obviously people just presume you on FaceTime or something, don't really care when you're doing it. But obviously when I've got this camera out now talking to it, it's going to be a bit more of a challenge, but I'm totally up up for doing it because this is very expensive, so I want to be able to use it. Anyway, I hope you guys all enjoyed that. Now, I did say it was going to be quite an awesome surprise reveal. I hope it lived up to your expectations. Those who want to know and are subscribed to me, I'm still sorting out the Birmingham vlogs. They will be up this week, so please don't worry about missing out on those because they are coming. I just wanted to do this video first, I just had to. But and also, if you like my content at all, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to be notified of all my weekly uploads, simply because YouTube's being a bit of a at the moment and not giving us notifications for people's videos. If you really want to see all my videos for definite, please don't forget to press the bell button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.